Case study, customized OPC calculation, and more. This case study comes from Fenclo. They are a manufacturer of wooden and vinyl fencing products. Fenclo was using Wonderware's MES and reading raw data values directly from an OPC server. The information systems team wanted to be able to run several kinds of calculations on the data before it got to the MES system. So they decided to use the DataHub. The DataHub sat in between the OPC server and the MES system. Calculations were handled using the DataHub's built-in scripting language. This allowed them to intercept and calculate real-time data before sending it to the MES system. Each time a tag changed in the OPC server, the DataHub received that value, ran the calculations, and sent the data to the MES system within all milliseconds. So far, they are using the OPC and scripting functions of the DataHub. We see this all the time. Once a user has success with one function, they think, how else could I use the DataHub? The DataHub offers so many functions, I feel like it is one of the OPC tools everyone should know about. They decided to use the bridging function as well, but in a unique way. Typically, bridging is used between different OPC servers or different PLCs. In this case, they bridged the calculated data back to the same OPC server so they could store these calculated values in the PLC. The company then decided to start using the email capabilities of DataHub to produce alert messages. They now send email messages with dynamic content on certain events. This simple feature gave the plant operators greater mobility and reduces workload. They even had an issue where a message was received that there was a failure on the ODBC data system. With the email alerts in place, they were able to react in time to restore the connection to the database and minimize data loss. This is a great example of how the DataHub was meant to solve a single problem because the rich feature set allowed them to expand their use of software over time, increasing their ROI. For videos, documentation, and a free demo, visit softwaretoolbox.com/datahub.